In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint Live for presentations in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams. Once Teams is on screen, go to the left sidebar and click Calendar. This opens your meeting calendar inside Teams. Now move to the top right corner and click Meet Now. A new meeting setup window will appear. In that window, click Start Meeting. Teams will begin creating the meeting space for you. When the pre-join screen appears, click Join Now. This takes you directly into the live meeting so you can start presenting. At the top of the meeting window, find the Share button in the meeting toolbar and click it. A sharing panel will open. In that panel, look for the PowerPoint Live section. Under PowerPoint Live, select your PowerPoint file. As soon as you choose it, the presentation opens inside the meeting using PowerPoint Live. If the PowerPoint Live section does not show your file when you click Share, stay in that same panel and click Browse OneDrive or click Browse My Computer. Then locate your PowerPoint file manually and select it to open it in PowerPoint Live. Once the presentation is open, look below the slide. You'll see navigation controls there. To move forward in your presentation, click the right arrow below the slide. Each click advances to the next slide. To move backward, click the left arrow below the slide. That takes you back one slide at a time. If you want to see all slides at once, click the grid icon beside the right arrow below the slide. This opens a view of all slides in the deck. From there, select any slide you want, and Teams will jump directly to that slide in a presentation. To point to something on the slide while you present, click the laser pointer icon below the slide. After that, move your cursor over the slide area to point at the part you want your audience to focus on. If you need to mark up the slide, click the pen icon beside the laser pointer. Once the pen is active, draw directly on the slide using your cursor. This lets you annotate the slide while presenting. If you want to remove those annotations, click the eraser icon. Use it to clear the marks you've drawn on the slide. On the right side of the presentation view, you can see your speaker notes in a separate panel. This allows you to read your notes while you present without putting them on the audience's screen. Keep an eye on the meeting controls while presenting. That area shows raised hands and audience reactions in real time, so you can monitor how people are responding as the presentation continues. If you want to check the conversation during the meeting, go to the meeting controls and click the chat icon. This toggles the chat panel on or off. When the panel is open, you can see what your audience is saying. If you want to hide it again, click the chat icon one more time. Next, go to the top meeting toolbar and click the eye icon. This toggles private view on or off. When private view is off, attendees can browse slides independently. That means they can move ahead or go back on their own while you are still presenting. When private view is on, attendees are locked to the slide you are currently showing. They stay synced with your presentation and follow along on the exact slide you have on screen. When you're finished presenting, go back to the top meeting toolbar and click Stop Sharing. That ends the PowerPoint Live presentation and returns the meeting to the normal meeting view. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.